Hey there everyone, SEMO-MAC here. And as y'all just saw earlier in another video, I just got through me and my wife putting this tent up that was sent to us, and I worked up a little bit of appetite. Yes, I did. So I got something for you. I picked up this nice little kitchen camping mesh set that I have here, and we're gonna try it out. So ordered this off of Amazon. It came in, runs off of these little bitty fuel canisters. This thing comes with everything. It has the little stove, it has all of the kitchenware that you need, all in this little bitty box. And on today's menu, it is gonna be Mountain House beef lasagna. Yeah, I just can't do an actual MRE. I went the frou-frou style. Yes, I did. And let's just hope that this is going to be okay, because now that I'm looking at it, it says it has a cheesy marinara sauce. Don't that sound so good? Yeah, my stomach's going to hate me after this. But anyway, but hey, at least I got 22 grams of protein. Yes, I do. So let's unbox this thing. Oh, this is going to be great. So this thing, there you go. It's got everything in that little bitty container. And that's all that's actually in here. So let's see what I can do, and let's just hope I don't blow myself up or anything. So, let's see what we have. So, looks like you've got a little bitty pot, which is actually kind of cool. It is pretty cool. Let's see, before I get to all of those nice little goodies, and we got a big pot. And it looks like, as you can see right here, it's got your measurements on there. So that's good. Even though, you know, most of us men, we don't really care to measure anything. We just kind of eyeball it and we go with it. So you got those. You have something else in here that I can't get out. We have a cup. Okie dokie. And this stuff is stainless steel. So at least I think it is. And yes, we have no, I apologize. This is aluminum is what this is. So this is all made of aluminum. I'm going to assume, just by looking at the picture, that this goes on here, so if you have something hot, you don't burn yourself. And we're going to flip that around. So that's actually pretty cool. Right here, you got something to drink out of if you need to. What else we got? I have a feeling that's going to be utensils. And this right here is the little stove, which is actually kind of cool. Let's see if I know how to do this. And we flip that around. That's kind of, does that need to go any further? Looks like it'll go right there. And that one goes right there. So I'm going to say that, flip those out. And hopefully that's actually kind of cool looking. So, okay dokie. We're gonna see if SEMO-MAC knows what he's doing. Maybe not. How about that? Let's do that again. That's not working either. Let's pause for a second. All right, this is your little stove. Here's your gas. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I'm a little shy on this because I'm not sure it's gonna work or not. Nah, just joking. Here we go. We have that. Okie dokie. I guess that's your little lighter. Hey everybody, I'm back. So this didn't turn out too great. Just gonna be honest with you. I finally got this little thing lit, and it is little sparker was not working on this thing at all for whatever reason. But trying to get it turned down a little bit here. There we go. But hey, that's why we carry matches. So what we gonna do, we gonna fix something to eat. So I got to get some water boiling here, and about 1.5 cups of water. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I really don't know how much I need. So we just gonna eyeball it, because that's what us men do. We eyeball. So let's hope that this thing actually works. All right. We're gonna boil some water. And let's see if this thing is actually gonna sit on here and do like it's supposed to. And it looks like it is. Another thing we do have, and I'm not gonna do this right now, but just because this ain't working like it's supposed to, but we're gonna make it through this video because I'm bringing it to you so y'all know if you want this or not. There's a little stand that this goes on to make it kind of level. So we got the water on here. It's gonna be a little bit, so probably gonna have to speed this up for you just a little bit. So once that water starts boiling, I'll come back to you. So I'll be back in just a minute. Hey everyone, I'm back. We got this thing finally lit and going. Got the water boiling, so here's the MRE, and we're gonna see what we can do here. All right, we got that poured in there, and I got these cool little utensils. So we're gonna say stir, and once after we stir, we are going to let it set for 5 minutes. So get that nice and stirred up, and that is hot. Ooh, I wish I would have had a plastic spoon, maybe. Not really, it probably would have melted. Don't taste bad. Kind of tastes like Chef Boyardee, imagine that. So here we go, we got that sealed. And now we're gonna wait for 5 minutes. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Or with the magic of editing, probably in like 2 seconds. But I'll be back. Hey everyone, so I'm back now. So this thing has been setting for 5 minutes, and then I had to stir it, and then had to let it set for another 4 minutes. So crossing our fingers, this is actually going to be somewhat decent. But just to let you know, you do get this little spoon, you get a fork, and you actually get a knife, and that knife is actually kind of sharp. So cool little stuff here. So everything's worked really good out of this thing except for the actual stove itself, which kind of sucks, but you can pick these things up for a little or nothing, so I'm not too worried about it. So now let's eat. Well, all I'm gonna say, it kind of looks like somebody's baby's diaper at this point in time, but we'll try it anyway. So I think I probably added a little bit too much water, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, like I said, it looks like that baby's diaper, but hey. Believe it or not, I could actually live off of this. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Honestly, it kind of tastes like Chef Boyardee. So who knew? Yeah, I'll live with it. I can eat it, and I'm actually gonna eat it. It's really hot too. Very, very hot. I'm gonna drink my flat soda too. Holy crap, it's hot. But anyway, so as far as product review goes, the cookware, the stove, cookware is good. Everything's good in this little kit except for the stove. For some reason, the stove would not light. I couldn't get it to go. Luckily, I had some matches that I could get it going. So yeah, I'm gonna say everything but the stove works in this little kit. So that's at your discretion. If you want to give it a try, go for it. If not, I fully understand, because yeah, I wouldn't buy it again. Just be honest with you. But this, and that is Mountain House, and it is the beef lasagna. I'd buy this again. So, this is SEMO-MAC telling you to always be kind and to have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.